Hello. So today we are going to learn on how to subtract polynomials. Number one, we have the quantity of negative 4x squared plus 3x minus 1 minus the quantity of x squared plus 2x plus 1. Now, in our previous video, we have how to add polynomials. Okay, now it's the same steps, it's the same way on how we're going to do subtracting polynomials from adding polynomials. It differs only on the operation subtraction, but there's a little additional, shall we say, condition how you're gonna do it. We're gonna apply on how we're gonna subtract integers in subtracting polynomials. Okay, so we have negative 4x squared plus 3x minus 1 minus x squared plus 2x plus 1. Now, remember, in subtracting integers, we are going to change the sign of the subtrahend and proceed to the rule of addition. Now, we are going to apply that in subtracting polynomials. So, we have the first polynomial is our minuend. All of them, our minuend. So we have negative 4x squared plus 3x minus 1. All of this polynomial at the bottom, or our second polynomial, is our subtrahend. Okay? So change subtraction to addition. So this will become plus. Get the opposite of the sign of all subtrahend. So this will become negative x squared. So that will become, and this will become, and then add. Okay? So there's a little twist, okay, in subtraction, but the same way how we did in subtracting integers. And then let's perform. We adding the same sign, add the numbers, and then copy the common variable as well as the exponent. So we have understood that we have numerical coefficient 1 in here. We don't need to write anyway, but that's understood that we have 1. So we have common sign is negative. 4 plus 1 is 5, and then copy the common variable and then exponent. Now, adding different signs or opposite signs, subtract the numbers and then copy the sign of the larger number. Okay? So we have positive 3x or just 3x plus negative 2x, and that would be plus x. And then negative 1 plus negative 1 is negative 2 or minus 2. So this is the difference of these two given polynomials. Let's have number 2. So number 2, you have the quantity of 3x to the 4th power plus 2x minus 1 minus the quantity of 2x cubed plus x squared. Now, in adding, I gave an example in adding on how we're going to arrange our degree of polynomial. So we're going to look at the exponent from highest to the lowest exponent. So let's take a look example number 2. So we have 3x to the 4th power. Supposedly after that is 3. After 4 is, next to 4 is 3. So we're going to give space in here. And then we don't have the quadratic term. So another space. And then followed by the linear term plus 2x and then minus 1. Okay? Now, minus, we don't have exponent 4 in here, so, but we have cube, so there's space here, so that would be plus 2x cubed and then plus x squared. We don't have linear term, we don't have constant term. So we're gonna do it that way. Next, these are all our minuend and then subtrahend. Again, so we have 3x to the fourth power space 2 spaces, so plus 2x minus 1. Okay, our minuend, nothing will change on the signs. Okay, just simply copy, but we are going to change the subtrahend. Change subtraction to addition, and then get the opposite sign of our subtrahend, so that would be negative 2x cubed, and then minus 2x cubed, or minus x squared. And we're gonna proceed to adding polynomials. Okay, so bring down 3x to the fourth power, and then just bring down minus 2x cubed minus x squared, and then plus 2x minus 1. So this is our difference on the given polynomials for number 2. Now, for number 3, we have the quantity of 8x to the fourth power minus 3x squared plus 4 minus the quantity of 4x cubed plus 4x plus 1. I'm going to give you time to solve this problem by yourself. Have a good day.